In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take a SIM card out of the new iPhone 17, which we have right here. Now, it's pretty easy to do. But first things to note is that there's no physical SIM in this iPhone 16 as there is up till the iPhone 14. Now, there's typically a physical slot, as you can see right here on this phone, but the iPhone 16, 15, 16 Plus, any phones after that do not have this physical thing. So how you want to remove a SIM card is you actually just want to do it a different way, because there's this thing called an eSIM, which is an electronic SIM. So all you do is you go to settings, and you just want to scroll down to the option that is called cellular. Click on cellular, it's near the top. Or from here, you scroll down to the option that is called delete eSIM. When you click on delete eSIM, it will basically remove the SIM card from this phone. Currently I have cell service on this phone, and it will remove it, or you can actually go into your provider's app. In this case, I'm using Verizon. You just want to go onto their website and actually just disregister that phone or the SIM card from the phone right here. You just click on delete eSIM and deactivate eSIM, and it will be deleted from this phone, not from your plan. You'll still be paying for it, so if you want to cancel it completely, go to the provider's app, Verizon, T-Mobile, etc. And yeah, that's how you remove an eSIM